Greetings viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be converting this 1/4-inch snap-on ratchet to a 3/8" drive. I know we've done this in previous video with the super long FCHLF72, but with that video, that was a custom job. We had to customize, custom machine the faceplate to get it to work. And, you know, it's not something that everyone can do. Everyone doesn't have a buddy that's got a milling machine or, you know, some kind of access to a CNC or something like that. So in today's video, we've got just a regular FCHL72, which is the standard length soft grip flex head. Actually, with the L, it's the longer version. That's a 1/4-inch drive. I've had it for about 2-3 years now. Haven't really used it, so let's make it into something that might be a little bit more useful. Let's convert it to a 3/8" drive. So parts you need from Snap-on. This is all Snap-on bolt together stuff. No customization, no nothing crazy here. So we've got the FC72-2. That's the part number for the faceplate here. That is already machined to accept the 3/8" drive, and that will bolt directly in place of the traditional T72-2 1/4-inch faceplate here. And from there, all we need is an RKRFC72 ratchet repair kit. That's got everything we need to put the 3/8" drive into the 1/4-inch body. So, that said, let's go ahead and get started. So, first we need to take the faceplate off of our T72. We're going to be using a T8 Torx bit to whip that right out of there. So, knock them 2 screws out. And set those aside. We won't be reusing those, as the new one comes with new screws that are already coated in blue Loctite. We'll go ahead and remove the factory T72-2 part numbered faceplate, the T72 drive with the front seal, the original T72 dual pawl mechanism, the selector, spring, and ball bearing, as well as selector switch, and set that all aside. Don't throw that stuff away if you've got other Snap-on T-Series ratchets, which would be the T72, TF72, TK72, TKF72, TL72, TLL72, TLF72, THLF72, any of those T-Series ratchets. You've got an extra repair kit if you do happen to break your internal. So, you know, it's not something to just throw away. Keep it around, it'll be handy to have. So, go ahead and open up the RKRFC72 ratchet repair kit. Dump all of our components out. I'll set them on the bag here. So, first things first, you want to drop in your selector switch. Just like so. You'll then drop the pawl into position, followed by the little ball bearing, if I can find where it went. Oh, that's right. Only the originals that are ball bearing and a spring. The rebuild kits have the ball part built onto the spring, so we'll just drop that in the hole here, the little bottom hole. Sorry guys, I know this isn't very coming through very well. It's tiny, tiny little ratchet and tiny little parts. And don't have the macro lens out. So what I always do when I rebuilt ratchets when I was a Snap-on dealer is kick the selector to off, take one of the little tangs here on the back of the dual pawl, latch it into the groove in the selector, then I'd push the other pawl down and hold it tightly together with my thumb against the 2 springs, take the drive, and kick it in and twist it, and there you go, you are in. Now all we got to do is take our new faceplate, which I have, oh, it was under my hand. Take the new faceplate, take the new sealing O-ring, put it in the groove in the faceplate, just like so. Seat it in the groove. And drop your new faceplate on. Now there is a pack of lubricant here, Super Lube. It is advised to put a little squirt in there, but since this ratchet's brand new and there's still quite a bit of residual lubricant in there, I'm not going to add any more because I don't want too much in there. You put too much in there and it creates more back drag on the ratcheting mechanism. So we'll squish our faceplate down, check the operation, make sure everything's good, nothing's binding up. Once that's good, we can go ahead and put our new screws in, tighten them down. They don't have to be super tight. Also, when you're putting in the screws, if you do squirt extra lubricant in there, be careful when you put the faceplate on, because the faceplate can squirt the lubricant, squish it out, and it will go into the holes where the screws go in, and you can hydrolock it where the screws won't tighten. So always start your screws before you completely squish down the faceplate if you do squish or squirt lubricant in there. Just something I picked up as a Snap-on dealer and rebuilding several of these ratchets a week. Well, not always, but it seemed that always if I rebuilt one day, I was rebuilding 2 or 3. It just seemed that particular days and particular weeks, everyone seemed to break their ratchets at the same time. Just tighten them down snug. Don't have to really torque them. They've got blue Loctite on them. And again, check operation. And we're all good. So now we have a super compact 3/8" ratchet ready to work, soft grip. And you know, we're saving tons of space compared to a regular F80 Snap-on. Really quickly for comparison, that's the traditional F80 3/8" drive Snap-on ratchet. And you can see how much space savings we're getting with this compact, new, newly termed FCHLF72. FC would be for ferret compact. As we talked about before, ferret is what Snap-on calls their 3/8" drive. I can't recall the history, but I know that F is for ferret, is for 3/8 drive when talking about Snap-on and Snap-on part numbers. So really quick video today, guys. Nothing too extravagant or long, and not really any edits or cuts. Just really quickly, if you have any Snap-on 1/4" ratchet and you want to make it 3/8" drive, that's all it takes. FC72-2 is the part number for the faceplate to get your dealer to order. I'll put the prices in here. I think it altogether cost me like $21 to convert this. I can't recall off the top of my head. I think the faceplate was like $8 or $9. And the RKRFC72 ratchet repair kit is about $10 from Snap-on. So really quick and easy to convert any of your Snap-on 1/4" drive ratchets to 3/8, aside from the TLLF72 and THLLF72 as we saw before, with having to custom machine that faceplate. Again, really quick side by side, because the screws go through the back of the housing into the flush faceplate on these ratchets, whereas all the other T-Series ratchets run the fasteners through the faceplate that's milled to accept the head and make it more flush into the ratchet body. Again, they did this because with the extra long length handle, it needed to be changed for head strength. So that'll do it for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.